Preparations in the Caribbean and U.S. coastline. In response to this threat, authorities in the affected islands have begun implementing preventive measures, such as the preemptive closure of certain public facilities and the activation of shelters. In Jamaica and the Cayman Islands, local governments are working to inform the public about emergency procedures in case the system strengthens and turns into a hurricane. Additionally, in Cuba, rapid response teams and emergency resources are being mobilized to minimize potential damage in the event of a direct impact. Meanwhile, authorities in the Florida Keys and the Gulf Coast are also closely monitoring the system's path. Although the risk of a direct impact on the United States is still uncertain, projections suggest the possibility of heavy rains and gusty winds toward the end of the week if the system continues on its northwesterly course. The NHC is also keeping a close watch on other systems in the Atlantic that could impact areas along their path. Among these is a low-pressure trough near Puerto Rico and Hispaniola, which is generating heavy rain in the region, although experts say it has a low chance of developing into a tropical cyclone. Additionally, subtropical storm Patty is in the North Atlantic and is currently affecting the Azores. This storm is moving eastward, and although it poses no threat to the Americas, its strong winds are expected to reach the Iberian Peninsula in the coming days. The NHC and outlets like the Weather Channel report that its intensity may decrease before reaching Europe, but the islands and the peninsula could still experience possible rains and strong winds. If potential tropical cyclone 18 develops into a tropical storm, it will be named Rafael, the next name on the 2024 Atlantic hurricane list. In that case, the system would join the list of November storms affecting the Caribbean, a region with warm waters that are conducive to cyclone formation even late in the season. The current situation highlights the need to be prepared and for at-risk populations to stay vigilant in the coming hours, as these tropical systems can intensify quickly and change their trajectory and intensity unpredictably. If you want to stay updated with weather forecasts, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel Noticias Nick.